Crohn's disease is a condition that affects millions of people around the world. It is classified as an inflammatory bowel disease that affects the small intestine. It is a debilitating disease that causes pain and chronic diarrhea. It can cause ulcers in a person's intestinal lining in a way that is similar to ulcerative colitis. This topic is serious to me. If you're a current subscriber, then you understand. But if you're new to this channel, look at the title again. Crohn's disease can affect not only both adult men and women, but it can also affect children in the later stages of puberty. The reason Crohn's disease develops is unknown. However, there are a number of treatments available. I've been diagnosed with Crohn's disease for almost 2 decades now. Growing up with Crohn's disease was a little bit hard. The main symptom of this condition is a deficiency in vitamin D. The reason for this is because the body cannot properly absorb vitamin D due to a person's intestines being inflamed. The reason why we need vitamin D is to regulate the amount of calcium in the body for bone maintenance. Vitamin D can be found mostly in the foods we eat, but this is assuming that a person has a healthy, balanced diet. But the sun also causes the body to absorb vitamin D through the skin in smaller amounts. Because a person suffering from Crohn's disease cannot absorb enough vitamins through their body, a vitamin D supplement may be a good idea. Just wanted to take a quick break and just go ahead and let you know that it's okay to leave a comment at the bottom. Let me know how y'all feel about Crohn's. Do you have it? Do you know somebody who does have it? Or do you know anybody that may have a few symptoms similar to this right here? Leave a comment at the bottom and let me know how you feel about Crohn's disease. So what happens if we don't get enough vitamin D in our bodies? A person will have weaker bones, lower amounts of calcium, nausea, poor appetite, and even in some cases, confusion. The easiest way to prevent these symptoms from happening is to have a balanced diet and to spend some time outside in the sun. This should allow your body to get enough vitamin D. I had a big problem with getting this vitamin D in too when I was in my earlier years of having Crohn's. Having a healthy diet is very true. So in the bottom, I have about 40 recipes for you guys completely free. Why don't you just click on the link at the bottom, put in your email, I'll send them right to you. Vitamin D supplements are very common and can generally be found in all pharmacies, if you have CVS, Walgreens around you, or any other health food stores. They can be purchased over the counter because they are usually not classified as drugs. However, you should always use precaution when taking these supplements. If you are already suffering from Crohn's disease, you are probably already taking other medications. It is best to at first ask your doctor or a healthcare professional if the medications you are taking will not be, good for you. I am not a healthcare professional at all. I don't have an MD, anything like that. So I want you guys to go ahead and ask your doctor, make sure everything is all leveled. I get my blood drawn regularly, and you should too, especially if you have Crohn's disease. So see how they feel about you adding on these supplements or any type of supplements that's mixing with the medications that you guys are taking. The reason for this is that some medications, they can really be very high potency. Ask your doctor. Your doctor should be able to provide you with all the necessary information if you're worried about taking supplements, including how much to take daily. It is crucial to follow this advice. Too much vitamin can lead to vitamin poisoning. You will have a very bad effect on your liver and your kidneys. Crohn's disease affects millions of people of all age groups around the world. It can be very debilitating, and that prevents many people from living a normal life. However, taking vitamin D supplements can make life a bit easier for people. If you're one of these people, why not have a chat with your doctor to see if vitamin D supplements can help you in your fight against Crohn's disease? It really can be one of the best choices that you'll make. If you're just finding this video about Crohn's, Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit a like to this channel. I am a personal trainer. I like to work out, as you see on this channel if you already looked through. But I'm a big fighter when it comes to Crohn's disease because I know that type of pain. So go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a few more videos on Crohn's disease and how I'm able to fight it. And you can check out some of my fitness videos if you need a little bit more, motivation. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right.